Tutorial on bold text effect. Open Gradient Overlay. Copy the settings. Choose your own color. Press OK. Opacity 100%. Open Style and select Radial. Press OK. Select the color white. Click
Write
a text
anything
tool.
else.
Hold down the Control key and press T at the same time. Enlarge your heading. Copy the settings. Open Gradient Overlay. Open Blend Mode and select Multiply. Opacity 50%. Angle 110%. Scale 50%. Press OK. Hold Alt and press upper key and create a 25 copies. Select first layer and open blending option. Click Gradient Overlay. Open Gradient and copy the settings. Press OK. Click Blend Mode, select Color Burn. Click Style and select Linear option. Click Bevel Emboss. Copy the settings. Size 5% and Softener 10%. Click Drop Shadow. Opacity 30%. Angle 120%. Distance 30%. Size 30%. Press OK. Scroll down and select first layer. Open Old Effects. Double-click Gradient Overlay. Click Drop Shadow. Copy the settings. Press OK.